In a candid admission, Mr. Mnangagwa's advisor Paul Tungwarara has criticized internal factions within the ruling Zanu PF party who have been using social media to attack the party leader. Sanapina mashoko atagona panapa. Vakomana vachiadmita kuti panguva inoyi aiwa leadership yavo aiwa yaparara yakonzeresa kuti the party ive in the deepest turmoil nemafactions nemasplits. Unobva subscribe like what on the bell kuti ipi apa vakomana vambulanyira chiri Tungwarara made these remarks during the launch of the Rap Province Presidential War Veterans Fund at the Zanu PF headquarters on Tuesday. While addressing the gathering, Tungwarara responded directly to those he believes are attempting to sow division within the party, saying, in quotes, "We will not be swayed by those attempting to use divide and rule tactics through social media." This statement reflects growing tensions within the party as some factions seek to undermine Mnangagwa's leadership. Tungwarara also emphasized the strength of unity of those loyal to the president, stating, "We know their agenda is too narrow and we are unstoppable." His words indicate a strong resolve among Mnangagwa supporters to resist efforts aimed at destabilizing the party from within. The occasion was marked by Tungwarara's formal handover of a $150,000 allocation to the Zanu PF Veterans League, led by Douglas Maiya, reinforcing his role as Mnangagwa's investment advisor. The funds are intended to support the war veterans, a key base of support for the ruling party. Mashoko aiwa anoshamisa anobuda tagwa panapa na Tungwarara but event yakaonekwa kunzi vakomana vari kuburitsa mari zhinji aizama kubribe these war veterans in a way to silence them just because they know kuti vakomana ava vari very influential and vari kuvathreatena pamusoro pe-leadership and corruption rate kanyika. Ibudza mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Nako mesection medu, subscribe, like, chinotonda bell icon.